na ehun sem no abeye bubruja utie ha benkum no watie ni fanenra ena labor ministry no ene the Ghana Health Service ena apomden adwuma no wono mo ekohia Ministry of Health nso apamfo eka ho bi ema omukohia na omune anesifo ku no aba no that ifo kohia na omu edi nkomo but and to me antentam in fact the information is that anesifo no aban ne ono omu ka no omu se da bi omu entiase so nurses no strike no is continuing in spite of a meeting na omu have with a health ministry no na omu ntimi reach agreement enti ehun sensem no eda ho na yenhwe de ekoso hospitals no ubedru hospitals no bebre no empty na woman we de na mareho apomden ho nsem no de bia meka se yemfa ni agro because once a life is lost you cannot call that being back onto this earth. It ya na essential say ye me ni ko ho me ni umienu ye betumi ayare anytime bibia nso betumi atoya we have to enter the hospital immediately. But the emergency side now, emergency service is shut down in most of the hospitals. Enrana konfanochia ya the sabia for esu say doctors no say almost 10 patients in the back. So muntumi sanse for no anyho. But mami we ede ne mami eco hospital. Na yenhwe de esi ye areho.
As you can see, almost say omo on strike. Normally, nurses are on strike. So I have to take her to another facility to see whether they can take it or not. So I don't know what will happen next. It's very painful, but as you can see, she's on oxygen now. So what should I do? I don't know what to do.
Oh, how serious it is, sir. But more than ever, Facebook in Shaw 104.5 doing here. Nashe, mami oxygen they see ni suno. Just say.
So I have to take her to another facility to see whether they can take it or not. So I don't know what will happen next. It's very painful, but as you can see, she's on oxygen now. So what should I do? I don't know what to do.
Since morning, I has saying, "Yaba yenyo obi amane sharing. Yetiti asan, yedida san." Nti aban no mpa bibi no onyamo mo hwe esra mo a esra aban
so mo every time no pa 6 o'clock e betna about 10 e go 11 e da so sia say nurse ni bia my so be hwe esra mo a aban boy na ye ble
right nti wo hwe woman ya areho wo hwe oni ne relative na areho. Let me finish with this one. Wo hwe the relative na areho na asem we shase no ache since May and on shase say omo threaten that aban enhwe na onka ho asem nyesa ombe ko strike na ehun say within the media space no ensem pinua and ekoso na we can argue when it comes to health issues no near the but one thing that should come to mind lives are that are being lost. In fact with their meeting enra health ministry labor any omo eka ho no meeting no ekopie mu say omo ekohu aban the beginning of this year because condition of service no was approved last year. It was agreed last year. Now can say implementation is here last year. That is from July 2024. And now nursing groups ni bi woman so ehye anesifu ku ni bi the case court say omo ye negotiation omo amfre womo and so court no the injunction and answer or hote implementation process na ma anesifo no nanka aban no wo ho no say odi hu dwuma no ye omo condition of service no ho adwuma no aban no court the table to no so say controller ne wo mo ekeka ho nyina mo ntu sa na mo no kosi so obeka asem na wie. And of course early part of this year within January no na enya ntie say court wa ka wi mo kro ma te wo ho ase ma anesifo ku no ma ka bo mu a wo mo edi wo mo dwuma entie no meeting na se ena ekopiem se January no kra na anesifu oku no ede nkrama aban se onhwe na court wa kanwie na omu endi condition of service no huduma say last year kra na nke se wonu mu implement ena enya amaso. And from January from the Minister of Health Akando honorable ɛkyerɛ sɛ wɔ meet almost 6 times within 3 to 4 months ɛkyerɛ sɛ almost here edi nkɔmɔ since February ɛde ba no a nurse for no nso kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo notify ɛyɛ ministry no from January sɛ case no bibia awie nti ɔmo hwɛ no ɔmo implement ɛna aban no ka sɛ ɔmo abanti ɔmo brɛ from them no ɛna ɔmo atwɛn aba besi saa bere na ɔmo se no ɔmo hyɛ no ministry ne se eni budget ɔmo approve no enim the minister kɔ kan finance minister de call parliament ɔmo approve no enim enti no ɔmo ntwɛn 2026 ansa na condition of service ɔmo aka ho asɛm last year no which the duration here for 2 years no na yɛ sɛ agye agu no ɔmo ntwɛn to 2026 ansa na aban no edi ho dwuma na from their meeting no ensa akura nteki retrospective effect kyerɛ sɛ ensa nkɔ n'akyi sɛ bia ɛka wɔ mu nti aban betua wɔ ɛhyɛ aseɛ from 2026 no ɛno na nursefoɔ no kan sɛ da bi ɔmo nte aseɛ from that time sɛ bia aban betua 2026 a ɛka retrospective no kra bia nka last year na ɛsɛ nka yenya nti ɛka kemu anase bibi ɛwɔ akyire bia no ka wobɛka ho asɛ ba wo so wotwa ne nyinaa agu no wabɛhyɛ aseɛ atua 2026 a na wobɛdi ho dwuma 2026 a ɛno no ɔmo so ɔmo te aseɛ a ɛnyɛ yie na ade baako no sɛ ɛhi ne efiri ne aduru ha yi whilst you have been notified from January say almost one condition of service no bibia the DNC implement budget was read first quarter the yaban that no budget second quarter aban we na de koye it will ba aban mu January no it means you were preparing your budget wo de be rane and almost one notify even before preparing your budget it one financial budget they feel that so say dwumadi omu di na essential so they have to let you know say essential services no mu provide no so conditions of service no ehia wo mu. And I will say we shouldn't be actually gambling with the health sector and we need to actually pay attention to the ecoson. Is the emergency services any adi nyina aginsem from January as they said and we notify ministry no. What steps the ministry need to take yesenka on the finance ministry be kabum ami etimi nya amicable solution for the implementation by your budget or many trias your budget by inform the anshim me wo mu inform before you did the budget you prepared the budget and this is very serious na ade amisro ni se anesifuo ku ya tie tuan o hwe anesifuo no dodo no a omo ne do so pa enso omo maka no kra ntimi handle adwuma no. And we could see it from many hospitals. In fact, rounds or makonyina. A domestic minister quickly more handle situation no ma or go back to work. Implementation is not renegotiation because we negotiate here last year, and what is left is to be implemented. It is a sikana anyone na bibi na any work no a sabe eye kasa de any kasa e be ye ba se say ye yire wo ma ya sabi e betumi ayire wo ma mama kotere adwuma mu so mo nya adwuma wo na emu makoma pa no ana se adwene no de be ya adwuma no so ye things that mistake be ye no are ya eduro papa ye so de wo bi no no akofa eduro bon de akowo no and now we ending up at a good stance enti best lesson penifo mo nhwe na ye betumi aye de na ekoso and ye bo machi and ye omu say are they call legitimate? Yes, it's legitimate. Because Abayan to us, we can agree on that or those conditions of service. It is seen to me implemented, more in a way that benefit both sides. But me and yes, the almost say need as a do on my term near can't obit me a better but I come out the bay jumano be a name. Otre, I read one yen to tobo, me the master can say, and penny now you handle the situation very well. You are really a health sector, no? We will be gambling with it. I am one. Eugene, we be our code there.
Yes, for me, I